Hello friends, welcome to Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel. Our channel intention is to help the healthcare professional as much as possible. In this session, we are going to see various healthcare related job openings which are spread around India, UAE and USA. If you are currently residing in India, don't apply jobs in UAE and USA. The reason is that foreign countries will take the healthcare professionals if you are staying in their respective country. They don't recruit the people from India. So kindly don't apply the jobs which are spread around UAE and USA if you are staying in India. So today we are going to see nearly 35 job openings which includes medical coder jobs and nursing jobs, medical billing jobs, medical transcription jobs, and also these are for freshers, experienced people and also nurses. So without any delay we will start our job search. So here Access Healthcare is hiring freshers. So they are looking for immediate joiners, so they have provided their mobile number. So you can call them using provided mobile number. So next one is for Knack Global. We are recruiting for the coders. Just apply using the email ID. And this is for Equal Advantage. Equantage. So they are looking for account payable, account receivables, and they are also looking for bookkeeping. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number here. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is, this is for project associate pharmacovigilance. So job location Gorgam. So they are looking for freshers. So they have provided their email ID here. So you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for hiring receptionist medical center. So basically they are looking in the Dubai. If you see here, must have 1 year experience in same role. So if you are having the experience, you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is pathology coders and IPDRG coder experience. So this is a work from home office job. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for CRI. CR is hiring. So they are looking for medical writer. So it is on-site job. It is in Bangalore. So they are looking for freshers and experienced. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for account payables. So this is for UAE. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for Pharmacovigilance Associate, Delhi, Ahmedabad. So they are looking for experienced people. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for urology coder and a surgery auditor. So remote urology coder. So basically this is USA job. So just if you are in USA only, just apply for this job. So they have provided their email ID. Using this email ID, you can apply the job. So here also drug safety associate, clinical research associate, case processor, medical writer. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. And next one is for, these are the job websites which you can use in order to find the job in UAE. So next one is for Dubai vacancies. So they are looking for medical coders. They have provided their email ID here. So you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for also UAE, sorry, Dubai. Yeah. So they are looking for staff nurses. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for medical coder. So this is location Dubai, nationality India. So they are looking for only Indian nationals. So they have provided their mobile number for WhatsApp. You can apply using this mobile number. So next one is for Sarvodaya Hospital Secretariat Faridabad. Looking for different openings here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for USA job. So they are looking for otology coder. So you can apply using the provided email ID. If you are in USA only, apply for the job. So if you are in India or UAE, don't apply for this job. So next one is for Pacific Global. So they are looking for senior medical coder, quality analyst, IPDRG, location Noida. So they have provided their email ID here. You can contact them using the email ID and mobile number. So next one is for Jindal Healthcare is hiring for TL RCM for physician and hospital billing for Noida Hospital, sorry Noida. So they have provided their email ID here. So sorry, they have provided their mobile number here. You can apply using the mobile number. So next one is for Karunis Ajuba Solutions. So they are looking for certified and non-certified medical coders for IPDRG. So they have provided their email ID as well as the mobile number. You can contact them using the provided email ID. So next one is for IKS Healthcare is hiring certified E&M coders. So they have provided the link here. So you can apply using the provided link. The job location is Navi Mumbai. So next one is for these people are looking for SDS trainer and IPDRG QA. So if you are interested, you can apply using the provided mobile number. So here also IPDRG coders and QAs, they have provided their location, sorry, their mobile number. You can apply using the provided mobile number. So next one is for Optum Bangalore is looking for medical coders. So they have provided their email ID here. You can, so this is for Bangalore location. So you can apply using the provided email ID. And also we have few more jobs. So RAD scribes, they are looking for experienced medical transcriptionist. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So basically this is a work from home job. So this is for coding opportunities. They are the clinical validators. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided details. So this is basically US based position. So if you are from India or UAE, don't apply for this job. So next one is for NAC Global. So they are looking for following positions. So you can apply using the provided details. So this is for Grace Medicode. So they are looking for walk-ins like immediate joiner HCC. So they have walk-in interview on September 21st. You can apply or you can visit their location here. So this is for nurses. So they are looking for nurses here. So they have provided their email ID. So you can apply using the email ID or otherwise directly you can go to the provided address. So this is for V Technologies. They are looking for AR caller trainees. So they are looking for freshers also. 28th and 21st September is the walk-in interview. So you can contact using the provided details. Next one is for eBotic Solutions. They are looking for senior executive. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for medical claims team leader. So this is for UAE. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for Jindal Healthcare. So they are looking for team leaders, AR callers and AR callers. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for SME and subject matter expert, AR. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for OG Healthcare. So they are looking for medical scribe. So interview is on 30th September. So they have provided their mobile numbers here. You can contact them using the provided details. So next one is for pharmacist job. So Butina, Sharjah, UAE, they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So this is for medical coding freshers. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the mobile number. So thank you guys. Thanks for visiting Passcode 21. So don't apply jobs outside India if you are residing in India. Thank you guys. If you like this session, please click on like button to motivate us so that we can provide more videos and more jobs.